getting it done. You have to back up. That was a little tiny scoop. Right there. Not bad for a little $20,000 tractor.
This is gone.
What?
The hill's gone after this. I mean,
hell no. Tilt it up.
huh?
Well, when you're going, gradually tilt the bucket up. Other way, just gradually, but go. But nope, go back. Right there. Now you kind of gradually tilt it while you're driving, you know. Now that's a load. Right there. So I gotta get those sticks and stuff. Tilt her down. If you want to go, if you wanted to like have more speed, put it neutral. Now that that shifter right there, push it all the way forward. Keep going till it locks. Okay. Now put it in gear. Watch the difference. Now you gotta give them more gas though, because now you're like a car. It ain't so low geared. But see, you're not going to be able to dig like that. You're not going to be able to dig like that. You got to put it back in low. It got to click. Yeah.
That's for professionals right there, huh?
That's just how the high is just when you're trying to drive it somewhere. See, you're getting it. Tomorrow I'm gonna get out here and get it. Watch. It's gonna look way different after tomorrow. How much fuel's left in there?
Quarter tank.
It was like a half a tank when I started. Yeah. What'd you do? Put it in high? You ain't gonna be able to scrape in high.
Oh, no?
Nuh-uh. High is like for when you're gonna drive down the road or something. Yeah. Yeah. Onyx. Hey, you're gonna get run over. Dang, so that's how high we have to have the yard. Dang, that's a lot of, it's that hill. That's where all the dirt is, on that big hill. It's gonna be like a whole 2 weeks, a week. Look how good the land is out here. Check out that soil, y'all. It's that California soil, man. That looks like some store-bought shit. That's all just from right here. Crazy. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.